Hey, and welcome to this video in which I'm going to play my guitar arrangement of the classic swing tune Stomping at the Savoy. Now I'm going to use two guitars for this, a 1938 Gibson L50 that's been converted into an ES150, and the other guitar is this blonde Gibson L7 from 1947 with a D-Armond pickup. Both guitars are running through the Quilter Tone Block 202. Now if you'd like to learn that arrangement, I've adapted it for one guitar, and you can get the tab and notation on my Patreon page. That's available on the lowest tier, link in the description. Also, if Stomping at the Savoy isn't part of your repertoire, why? It's an absolute belter of a tune from the 1930s, and you can check out my video to learn the chords and my analysis of the harmony. It's on the screen. Don't forget jazz guitar lessons every Wednesday. Until next time, you take care.